Les gars, aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une toute nouvelle vidéo à 23h50 du 31 décembre. On est sur le point de passer en 2026 les gars. On va passer nos derniers instants. On va devoir dire adieu à 2025. Bon, en ce moment, là, je vais vous partager mes trucs. Vous savez très... Wesh, il y a des anniversaires de Simpson là. Les gars, avez-vous hâte d'aller en 2026? Dites-moi dans les commentaires quels sont vos objectifs. Moi, perso, c'est d'avoir une bonne moyenne à l'école. Vous entendez le feu d'artifice dehors? Sors, je fais un enregistrement. Sors, je fais un enregistrement. Sors, je fais un enregistrement. Ok. Ce sale gosse de mon petit frère là, il me pète toujours. Bon les gars, j'ai le pass du capitaine. Ça ne se voit pas parce qu'un autre compte me l'a offert. Les gars, nous prévoyons... on prévoit de vous... On espère que vous allez bien vivre cette année. Respirez vos derniers coups de monde. Vivez les dernières minutes de 2025 tranquille. On va devoir dire adieu à cette année qui était top. Bon, on ne peut pas cliquer sur l'heure. Les gars.
Papi, je me fous de ton enregistrement.
Les gars, c'est trop. Les gars, là, c'est trop bien. C'est trop bien. Le gars, là, on va bientôt arriver en 2026. Tu dégages. Je n'en peux plus. De ce sale gosse. Les gars, on est en train de vivre les dernières minutes de 2025. Les dernières minutes. Mon frère, il veut sortir, mais c'est non. Mon frère, il s'est fait voler un brain rot. Très rare. En plus, le pire, c'est que c'est son pote qui l'a volé. Mais je promets de le venger. Le pire, c'est que c'est le jour du nouvel an. C'est quelques jours avant le nouvel an. Les gars, on n'en peut plus.
The bird was stuffed inside the doll, and a head was placed on top. When the child picked it up, it would twitch and move. Even its beak would open and close. But as the bird struggled to escape, it would make the toy move, almost like it was powered by gears. Now, eventually, the bird would die.
Bisous à cet oiseau.
And the doll would turn into a coffin, holding the rotting corpse of the trapped animal. The bird was stuffed inside the doll. The bird was stuffed inside the doll, and they say he had a second face on. They say he had a second face on the back of his head, one that could smile, cry, and even whisper terrible things at night. Legend has it that the face couldn't eat or speak, but it was said to laugh when he cried and mutter words only he could hear. No doctor would remove it, and the man claimed it tormented him constantly. And according to the legend, he couldn't take it anymore and ended his own life, leaving behind a chilling note about his suffering. They say they took a human skull from a burial ground and cut off the top before cleaning and polishing it. Next, they would carve designs into the bone before attaching metal and precious stones. And this sacred bowl was filled with wine for use in religious ceremonies. It was offered to the angriest gods to symbolize blood. And others contained bread baked into the shape of eyes, ears, and tongues, all just to keep the gods happy. They took a human skull from a burial ground and cut off. If you strapped a baby to a pair of Cybertrucks to pull them, you would need 5,000 of them just to make them move. Now, if you did the same thing with anacondas, it would take at least 160 of the giant snakes to pull the truck. But if you got Dwayne The Rock Johnson to tow the trucks, you would need just 1.5 of him to get them rolling.
Ça fait peur.
If you strapped a
Et venez, on crée un robot qui a la même force dans ses jambes.
just 1.5 of him to get them rolling.
Et venez, on crée un robot de lui.
If you swallowed a metal bowl, call 911 immediately and touch a cactus 40 times. And this happened because the metal bowl could go into a coma and explode in a huge fireball. If you take the $10 million, you'll spend the rest of your life being chased by a poisonous snail. Now, it might sound like a good deal, but the snail never stops moving. And if it touches you, you die. It knows where you are. It's always coming, and it will arrive eventually. Now, you could move countries and switch hotels every few nights, but if you slip up just once, the snail wins. It can't be killed, it doesn't age, and it never forgets. So would you take the money if it meant a lifetime of paranoia? If you take the $10 million, you'll spend the rest of your life being chased by a poisonous snail. Now, it might sound like a good deal, but
Entendez. Les gars, on va devoir dire adieu à 2025. Le pire. Les gars, on va voir. J'ai hâte, les gars, j'ai hâte. On va. J'ai hâte. J'ai trop hâte. Les gars, on a hâte. Les gars, on a hâte. Euh, 58. Il est 58. Les gars, on va. Les gars, on va. On va enfin passer en 2026, mais on va devoir dire adieu à 2025. On va passer les dernières minutes. Les gars, on a hâte. Allez, on va compter jusqu'à 10. On va compter de 10 jusqu'à 1. Sors. Les gars, on a hâte. J'ai hâte. On est en train de passer les dernières secondes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bonne année! Bonne santé! Oui!
Fais voir. Bonne année!
Bonne santé! Joyeuses fêtes, les gars. Quels sont vos objectifs? Dites-le moi dans les commentaires. On est en 2026. Malheureusement, on va devoir dire adieu à 2025. Bisous. Je vous aime. À plus les mecs.